We're here in Shanghai to deliver a career masterclass to our alumni. Having met many employers in China, one of the things they really like about our students is not only the academic learning they receive, but also the opportunity our students have to develop their professional soft skills or employability skills, such as networking and commercial awareness. It's frequently these skills that make CAS applicants stand above all others.
I'm in Shanghai to deliver a masterclass to our Chinese alumni. The masterclass is focused on the principles of successful career development. So we'll be focusing on how students into their 20s and 30s can develop their careers further through building their personal brand, networking effectively in their organisation and outside to develop opportunities, and also a reminder of the support they still have from CAS when they're back in China.
My name is Sky Mong and I'm from, don't look at me, and I majored in banking and international finance. Now I'm working in Standard Chartered Bank for credit analyst.
I'm currently working as HSBC Global Banking Financial Institutions Group Relationship Manager.
I was a student in CAS Business School 2016 to 17 in MSc Quantitative Finance program.
Studying accounting and finance in the CAS, and the year is 2014 and 2015.
I can recommend to you the CAS Career Services because I learned a lot and gained a lot of experience from it.
When I was in CAS, and career team was just perfect team to me because I'm just looking for the job in London or both in London and China at that time. And career team, we do have a lot of workshops and across industries like the banking and accounting firm, the Big Four. You got HSBC as well, and as good opportunities.
I worked with career team quite closely when I was in CAS. I still remember the career fair that we had prior to the formal class beginning. Gives us an advantage of timing because we started much earlier than other schools.
I mean, just look at LSE, just look at other schools in London. They don't have so many activities here in China.
The career office team helped me a lot by giving me a lot of advice on how to modify my CV and prepare for the interview better, which helped me to secure several offers prior to my formal job.
I would highly encourage my dear alumni to attend as much activities such as the on-site company visit or the Chinese alumni activities as much as you can.
I've helped to giving some suggestions to those new graduates, and some of them have entered into my company successfully and got the graduate program offer.